euro tumbled to its lowest level in 5 months against the Canadian dollar on Friday, as weak data out of the Eurozone and inflation data out of Canada weakened the single currency. I'm Sophia Aribo and you're watching Forecasts on Dukascorpi TV. On the line to discuss euro-loonie dollar trading is FibStalker's Giuseppe Basile. Giuseppe, last Friday saw the euro fall to its lowest level against the Canadian dollar in 5 months, trading at 147.9. It's recovered a bit since then, but your 1 month forecast of 146.5 has levels falling even further. Why is this?
Well, the price of the euro versus Canadian dollar is now in a sequence of measure move lower. And the resistance level is at 153 in the 153 area, and with a first target at 148.50, which was hit already. So price keeps moving lower, and there is a second target around the 146.50. And after that, we could see a bounce for 2-3 weeks. In 1 month time, I anticipate to have a lower price, and probably right at that 146.50 or around current prices.
Your 3-month forecast of 143 indicates you see the euro falling even more against the dollar. What brings you to this conclusion?
Well, program trading on the medium term is not committed to longs in this market, in my opinion. And I think we have possible support in the 138 area. Now, also, when we study the other two pairs, we break the euro in CAD in, which is the euro, US dollar, and the euro and the US dollars, Canadian dollar. They are both moving lower. So there are reasons for believing that the euro dollar, for technical fundamental reason, will go down to 130. And the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar tested the resistance 112 recently, is moving lower into 104 and potentially even lower. So the euro versus the Canadian dollar is not going to move higher, in my opinion.
And lastly, Giuseppe, at 12 months you see trading levels recovering quite a bit. Will there be an even further low before euro-dollar gets back to your 12-month forecast of 1.5? And why do you expect the recovery?
Well, despite the short and medium-term move downwards we're going to see, the euro versus the Canadian dollar is bullish after breaking the 155 level. The point is that interest from program trading is at much lower level, 138.50. That's the area I've indicated. And however, on the daily and the 4-hour chart, program trading will be able to, or should be able to, push price lower into that area. After that, the interest of program trading in that area will actually tell the full story. And in 1 year's time, we could go back to current prices and even higher, around 150.
Thank you, Giuseppe. Thomas Tamplin will be back with Friday's edition of Forecasts.